Maharashtra to be specific, despite still being probed for the massive irrigation scam in the state, the Maharashtra cabinet has approved an additional 623 crore rupees for 147 pending irrigation projects in the city, while the opposition has lashed out at the government over this rather controversial move.
When the mammoth irrigation scam had broken in 2012, it had shaken the entire political establishment of Maharashtra and had claimed the chair of the then Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Ajit Pawar. The same man now being believed to have played a pivotal role in doing what he does best, getting more and more funds sanctioned to the stalled irrigation projects.
Despite the fact that a massive 72,000 crore irrigation scam is under investigation, the Maharashtra cabinet today, in a move that has sparked controversy, has decided to allocate an additional 622 crores to 147 unfinished irrigation projects across the state. This decision came after a stormy cabinet meeting on Wednesday when the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, a person who has been accused of being a beneficiary in the scam in the past, slammed the Chief Minister of the state for his lackadaisical approach towards these schemes.
This cabinet decision has got the opposition fuming.
These projects, for which 622 crores have been allotted as cost escalations, have been laying with the government for last 18 months. Now, for last 18 months inaction of government, why a taxpayer should pay for the cost escalation?
The Shiv Sena even threatening that they would not only seek an explanation but also protest against it.
In all protests, Shiv Sena will be taking stand again. Our leader in the assembly, Subhash Desai, he will be leading again all the MLAs, and as per the directives of Shiv Sena party chief Uddhavji, this matter will be raked up again.
The questions being asked is that what was the hurry to allocate such huge funds when the Madhav Chitale committee that is investigating into this alleged scam is months away from submitting its findings. Bureau Report, Times Now.